winds dying down overnight, but the fire was so hot and so intense at times that it was creating its own little weather pattern too. So unfortunately, that made things worse in some areas. Now, when you look at our weather headlines, it's going to be dry for the morning drive. Not expecting any snow this morning. Snow will start to develop by late morning. We're likely first going to start to see it up near spots like Boulder, up and through Longmont and Fort Collins, and then tonight into early tomorrow morning. Totals are likely going to be around 3 to 6 inches in and around Denver, and I'll show you more of those totals here in just a minute. Let's take a look at some of the wind gusts at this point now at about 5 to near 10, 15 miles per hour. Obviously a lot calmer than what we saw yesterday in those areas. 70, 80 mile per hour wind gusts were really common through the height of the fire, and now we're seeing much calmer conditions up and through the foothills. Speeds have been at about 20 to 40. Take a look at the alerts. We've had quite a few more issued here within the last 24 hours. There in pink, you're going to find a winter storm warning. In purple, a winter weather advisory. That covers most of the metro area and most of northeastern Colorado, where we're likely going to see, again, about 3 to 6 inches. Lighter as you get farther north and east up along 76. Heavier west of town, up and through the foothills and up against the foothills, likely in through parts of Boulder, Genesee, upwards of around 6 to 12 inches possible by, again, early Saturday. Here's a look at some of those potential snowfall totals. So this is going to be the biggest storm that we've seen so far this season. Obviously, still we're coming in at less than an inch of snow officially out at the airport. So this is going to be some much needed snow for us where extreme drought conditions have taken over. Take a look at the timing. And again, on Futurecast, by right around 10 to about 11 o'clock, we're likely going to start to see some of that snow that we're getting up and through parts of Larimer County and closer to Red Feather Lakes and Estes Park this morning, pushing farther east. And so the roads are going to get icier up along I-25 north of Longmont by late morning. That will start to fill in. So do expect for the evening commute tonight, temps to start dropping. We're going to hit highs in the upper 30s, back down to near freezing, much colder by that point. Winds also picking up a little. Speeds will be at around 15 to 30 miles per hour. Wind shifting, though, out of the north and northeast. The brunt of the snow is going to fall overnight tonight, and by early tomorrow morning, things will really have started to taper off. You're going to be waking up to some, well, shovelable. I don't know if that's much of a word, but yeah, you're going to have to shovel tomorrow by early Saturday morning. Temps will be in the single digits to low teens. It's going to be a cold day. Skies will clear Saturday afternoon on New Year's Day, but we're expecting highs only around 15 to near 20 degrees with some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Sunday, we're at 37 and then mild, warmer, Jason, into the first of next week with more 40s and 50s by Monday and Tuesday.